Hi, welcome back. In the last video, we saw that to get what we want, we should actually obsess with what we want. It should be more than the fear of failure or boredom of taking the action for it. Suppose if you want to crack civil service examination, you should be obsessed with passing that examination, and it should be more than the fear of failure or the boredom for reading for that exam. Then only we will get a natural motivation to reading for that exam. But for some of us, we may feel like even if I want to pass the examination, I can't able to read it, or I fear whether I will fail the examination. Those thoughts dominate me, I can't able to read. In such a scenario, we should remind our mind repeatedly that this is very, very important for us. Reading and writing affirmations is the best method for reminding our brain. Write your affirmations strongly in a present tense. Write simply like I pass my exams. Don't use like I will pass because it will project it into the future. And also while writing the affirmation, add some emotion to it. Becoming an IAS officer is a passion for me. It's very important in my life. I want to help a lot of people. My future depend on it. Write something, make an emotional connection to your affirmations so that this emotion will overwhelm, this emotion will overtake that fear of failure or boredom. Paste your affirmation near your work desk so that you can see it many times a day. Read at least 3 times so that your mind will feel it is very important for you, and it will make many neural connections. So you naturally start working towards it. So we will see a quick recap. Write your affirmations. Your affirmation should be in present tense. Add some emotion to it. Read and write it as many times as possible so that your mind feel it is very important for you. Thank you.